Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can make the AI voice over yell within ElevenLabs. So as you can see, this is my text. Subscribe to how to do. Please subscribe. But I want, that the voiceover is going to say this sentence, that he's going to yell the sentence, So what you need to do is you need to type a bracket, then type yells, and then again a bracket. And as you see, when you tap on generate right now, the voiceover will yell the sentence. So they will yell, subscribe to how to do. So keep in mind that also that the voiceover will also say the word yells. So keep in mind that your quota will decrease when you also generate the word yells. But yeah, it will also yell this sentence. What you can do is you can yells scared, or yells happy, or yells surprised. I know you can be very creative at that. Just play around with it. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, it means a lot. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.